All right, so now this is what we've got so far to kind of show you how things are coming together and the reason for the split ducting and the water landing. So you've got its buoyancy should be like a boat, which is why I did 2 buoyancy bubbles. And the engine's here, battery components are here. So everything's sort of over the CG. So it's kind of as I'll double check CG and balance as I need to, but that's why the bottom is designed this way. And the reason why I have the top ducting, and I mentioned as I mentioned to Spider, because Spider's like in on the design with me all the time with this stuff. The top ducting is for to prevent any water locking from this end. So if I'm going to take off and I'm going to elevator up from a water landing, what I don't want, I want it to push the water out, but I don't want it to get logged here and then not be able to pull in any air to get out of the water. So this is sort of a water lock prevention duct. So as these 2 are sealed from the water below, it'll pull from the top into the fan and allow me to gain traction so I can get lift and elevator out of the water. It's all experimental. I'll probably coat this bottom part because you can really never trust layer adhesion 100%. So I'll probably get some of that plastic spray they have for cars, and I'll kind of go along the bottom side just to make sure that I'm not waterlogging any of the parts that I wanted for baffles. So, I mean, that's the idea. And when you see the wings and the elevators, you'll kind of see a better profile of the whole thing. I'm printing this section now and this section next. And then I'll be doing the wings and the elevators. So that's what we're dealing with so far. And the reason why I'm doing it this way is because DC can work underwater. And I have a waterproof brushless or brushed ESC. So everything in the system is waterproof. The only thing I have to do is spray the receiver or bag it. But that kind of stuff is easy to do as far as the receiver goes. Same thing with servo wire connections. Those will be coated. So the idea is this is a park flyer, park lander, grass lander, water lander. And I'm curious on what it's going to do in the water. I really am. That's going to be fun to find out. So stay tuned for that one. We're almost there.